Like video. Oh, I'm videoing.
Why is it bubbling? Why is the stick bubbling? Sticks aren't supposed to bubble. It's wood. What is that? What's that substance that's bubbling inside of our stick? I don't like it. Like, hold on.
Just throw that in the quench bucket.
Ew. Look at that. Look at bubbling.
Smoke is getting my eyes. I can't point the camera anywhere because I can't.
Put it in the nasty bucket that we're gonna dump out. Okay. It was like kind of hollow. Like, see, there's a little bit of, you know,
Bizarre.
so there was something inside of it leaking out.
It's still there's still one bubbling.
Yeah. Oh, it's another bubbly one.
Or maybe it came from the first one.
So it's no, that's leaking out of the core of the stick. The
Sap? They're dead? They're really dead.
Those ones were underneath that pile of rotting leaves. So that's probably like nature stank.
That's the official. I cannot see with all this smoke going.
Every time you walk like over there, you just get a face full. Yeah, that's total, like, that's nature stank that's coming out. Come on. Come on. Leave. Leave. Not wanting to leave.
Do you want to stick this aluminum rod down the center?
Here, yeah.
Yo,
Okay.
what the heck is this?
I don't know. It's... It's making a weird noise.
I think this is...
Put your ear up against that, or not against it, but close.
Here, let me see if I can stick this through the core. There's no core on this one, it doesn't seem.
Oh, I tried to squeeze it tighter so it would be more, like, sturdy for you to poke the rod in, and it just did this. It's nasty.
I don't know what this is, but I don't like it.
I don't either.
Back to forging, my dude.
Alright. This could be a standalone video.